guys, I'm back. Give me a drink. Yeah, I'm terrible. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I really don't know what to record for this episode. I was not prepared. I'm only gonna do it today. Yesterday. Today, I'm only doing one video today. I'm sorry, but I wasn't prepared. And then on Saturdays and Sundays from now on until summer break. Once summer comes, I'll start doing 2 videos every day. So when I have time, of course. Since I won't have to be doing homework and studying. Yeah, I have a full space test to study for in a few hours. So yeah, I really need to get ready for that. Sorry about that. Yeah, I really don't know what to do this episode. So you wanna go? Let's just go troll people. I'm not trolling her. I don't know who she is. Let's just go troll people. Let's go troll. I'll tell people I'm part of HQ. Yeah, no, I think that would be really disrespectful. Let's go look at these bunnies. Bunnies! Bunnies! Say... Viewers. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. I look like a zombie. Yep, you better say hi before I make them rage. Da 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 da. Yeah, I'm such a bad YouTuber. You guys must hate me. No, don't hate me, please. No hate, loveless. Yeah, that was absolutely terrible. Kill me now. Let's go this way. Titter totter. Whee! Yeah, oh my god, help me. We're only 2 minutes into the episode and I've already embarrassed you guys to the edge of my limit. I wonder if they actually have this like an actual game. That's cool. I'm drowning. Yep. A dance. How can my raccoon dance, but it can't walk? It can't walk that fast, but it can dance that fast. Watch it. Clap. Okay. Where are we going? No, I'm just cooking stuff right now. Wanna go here? Friends are crowded. Let's go see what people are doing here. Yay, what people doing. I really wish you could see, like, whose den this is. Because I want to see, like, whose den this is. Is it, like, AJHQ's den? Is it? It could. Maybe it is. Nope. AJHQ has an outhouse right here. I would pull it up if I knew how to edit it in. But I don't. So let's go this way. Look, I can go. Oh my god. Why do they make it so we can go through this stuff? Like, I could just be like, hoi. Yeah. Alright, I'm 10. It's gonna be the shortest episode. This is gonna be like 5 minutes. Tops. Okay, guys? I'm 9. I know. That's 59. I really... Oh, guys, okay, I'll wait till I get my treasure hunts because I'm gonna be getting the treasure hunts in like an hour. Not an hour, but like 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna stay till that. Okay, let's go. Speed run. I really wish I could speed this up. You guys want to see the coolest thing? Let me change ammo. Oh my god. If I sneeze, guys, I'm so sorry. I almost sneezed, guys. I'm sorry. That was so embarrassing. I wish I could cut that out, but I can't. I don't know how. Many of you know how to, like, edit. Put it down in the comments below. And, like, like, take my episode and, like, send me an edited version, please. Like, I need editors. What the heck? Look at this. How I hold an umbrella. Logic, not real. But I want to show you guys something really cool. Let me get a set. Bing. What set piece is this? This is the art stick. Yep. I'm sorry, I'm not talking. I just can't really concentrate. Put it down. And then that on. And then that on. And then that on. You gotta have the full set, you know what I mean? Jelly bean. And then you adjust. Up like, see, I'm like a flying unicorn. Wait. I get 601. Okay. I'm going to my den and I'm going to show you what I get. Because I'm not going to get nothing. Because I'm terrible at this. The most I get is like 2 things. And it's absolutely terrible. And I hate it. Who's at my den? Who's at my den? Who's at my den? If it's a fan, then you can be a shout out. Yep. But what? This is not my guy. Oh, hi. Hi. Say hi to. You're on TV. Say hi to the viewers. You're on TV. On TV. You're on TV. Say hi to the viewers. You're on TV. I spin. Put down in the comments below if you think I'm funny. Hopefully I am, because I want to be funny. I like being funny. Oh yeah, by the way, I get all my stuff like a day early, which I absolutely love. Ooh, I get icicle lights. That sounds pretty. Do I get anything good today? Oh my god, please let me get that apple scarf. Or the first book. Because I might get that Julian or the party or whoever wanted it. I can't remember. Sadly, today isn't Whisker Day. Because the thing I want, it's like whoever's force spell that they want. I want Whisker so bad. I would love it to have those. Like, if I'm on at a time and you guys have whiskers, I'd love. Like, I'd friend you if you had whiskers. I just like people with whiskers. They just look like good on every animal. Especially, what animal? Especially raccoons, I feel. Because I feel like raccoons look really good on them. And if I ever got them, I'd be peeping all my looks. Every look I have. Oh yeah, by the way, I hate people who have, like, that one, like, what is it? That one, what is it? Oh, I can't remember it, but, like, those spikes that people have, I hate people who wear those, because it's the same that everyone does. That's why none of my animals have a spike on. I mean, I have one that I wear rarely, not on Arctic Wolves, though. I never wear them on there. Just a disgrace. Oh my god, apple scarf, please. No, come on. Please, please. No! My life is ruined. There, I'm gonna get one of these. Nope. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna get this right. I'm gonna get the sectional sofa because I always get that. It's terrible. I always get that. I hate it. Got sapphires. I know I have 160 of them because I bought a billion of them. I got like nothing. Did I even get an item? Well, I got like a lion hat, but other than that, I didn't get nothing. I got one item, and I got 208. nasty gem things. Penguins only party, or I want the friendship party. I need the friendship party. I need friendship. Friendship is magic. Let's go. Da, 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 da. I'm a penguin. I'm a penguin. You jealous? Uh-huh. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Wee! This is my favorite animation. Come over here with me. Wee! Slippity, slippity, sloop, slop, slippity, slippity, slide. And you just run over here and you just woo! Flip it, swim it, flop. Just perfect. And then you can go slippity, slippity, slide. I love the play animation. Just like, you wanna try me? Watch me go round and round with my umbrella. Yeah? See my bell, see me switch. Da 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 switch. Da 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 switch. Da 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 switch. Da 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 switch. Proud of me, guys? I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye! Wait, before I say bye, let's shout out one of these people. If I see you in the comments below, then I will flip and friend you. And when I hit 1 million subscribers one day in the future, of 1 million years from now, I will shout you out. Well, I'll shout you out right now. But then after I friend you, in like years from now, when I have 1 million subscribers, you'll be so famous. You'll be like, whoa. Okay, I will find the... who looks nice? I'm not going to do people with penguins with, like, spikes. Because I feel like that's just, like, too common. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes, and then I'm just going to run, and I'm going to click somebody. I don't know who I'm clicking. Am I clicking anybody, guys? I got 33 hello. Ooh, okay, let's find you. If you don't accept. Okay, let's pick another person. I will pick you. Nobody friend you. You're the friend somebody. Hello. Shout out to Bunny Ear. Sorry, I just like checking people's things. Dang, girl, you fam. Shout out to her, Bunny Ear. I mean, friend her, not follow her. I took friend and follow, and it turned into fun her. Oh my god. But, like, fun her. Okay, bye. Anyway, we're getting to the end of the video, so bye, subscribblers. Not subscribblers. Sorry, that was my old channel before I lost it. Bye, my raccoons. Make sure to like and subscribe.